Hi, first grade. Here we are, back to an Elephant and Piggie book. It's called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. Starts off with no words. Let me see if I can get a little closer here. So look, here's the bird. Here they are, flying down there. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Aren't they funny? What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. I don't think I would like that. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? See them? Look at the picture. I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs are hatching on my head? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Uh-oh, where did they end up? The end. Isn't that funny? I love Elephant and Piggy. Have a great day.